So welcome back to my daily uploads. Hello my beautiful people, my loves, how are you? Hope you're doing fine. My name is Sharfa. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, please consider subscribing, and if you've been with me, thank you so much. I really do appreciate you. Yes, so I'm a beautician, health, lifestyle and a Ugandan content creator. So today I'm going to be taking you through some skincare. Yes, yes, I'm going to be taking you through some skincare which has some anti-aging properties, antioxidants, and if you have an acne prone skin, dry skin, sensitive skin, combination skin, this is best for you because it will help you exfoliate, cleanse, detoxify, and also leave you with a rejuvenated skin. So let's get into the purpose of this video.
So our first ingredient we are going to be looking at is a banana. You can use any ripe banana at your home. Yes, so you can use bogoya, you can use ripe banana. Banana contains vitamin A and C, and also it is rich in potassium. Banana can be used typically for all skin types. It contains anti-aging and antioxidant properties. Yeah, so it will help us nourish our skin, cleanse, exfoliate, and the most important thing is to moisturize our skin. Yes, so banana also helps to lighten dark spots if you had them, and also balances your skin tone at the same time. It will help promote a clear and a glowing skin. Yeah, so basically it's what we are going to be using. Okay, now since our banana is too ripe, yes, I'm just going to remove the good part. Of course I would have used it all, but yeah, I don't want to be messy. Yeah, but you can use it all. Yeah, but for the purpose of this tutorial or this DIY, yeah, maybe I need to take the good part. Yeah, so banana is also good at reducing the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Yes, so this like this banana ingredient is good for all ages. Yeah, so it does not exclude any. Yeah, so if you're having a dull skin, worry no more, because this face mask that we're going to be doing is best. Yes, so the next step is you need to be smashing your banana. Yes, until you make that thick smooth paste. Yeah, because we are going to be applying it onto our skin. Yeah, so if you want to promote a clear skin, if you want to have a glowing skin, if you want to cleanse your skin, banana is one of the ingredients that you can add into your skincare. You can do this like once in a week or twice in a week. Yes. So our next ingredient, we are going to be using honey. Honey has antioxidants that will help us get rid of free radicals, and also will help us cause the flare-ups and breakouts if you're having pimples. It will also help us to moisturize our skin, soothe irritation. Yeah, so the purpose of us having honey is it is going to be a complete total facial mask that you need for any sensitive skin. So now the next step is to measure our ingredients. Yeah, so you are going to get 1 teaspoon of your raw honey, and I'll always advise you to get organic honey, like pure honey. Yes, don't get mixed honey. Find a way of getting organic honey. Then we are going to be adding in our smashed banana puree. Yes, we are going to be adding in 2 teaspoons of banana puree. Then we are going to mix these two ingredients very well. So you need to take time to mix these ingredients because you want all the components to mix very well so that we can have effective results for our skin. Yeah, so make sure that you mix and mix and mix. You can even mix for like 2 good minutes, mixing fast these 2 ingredients before we add in our other ingredient. Our next ingredient, we are going to be using turmeric. Turmeric is a powerful antioxidant and pore cleanser, making it ideal for acne and blemish prone skin. This turmeric can also be used as any pimple prone skin on your body, such as the back, the chest, the legs. Yeah, so the one important thing that you have to know is, before you getting started with your facial mask, which has turmeric in it, yeah, turmeric can always stain your clothes, so I'll advise you to wear clothes, yeah, so that you don't stain your clothes. Yeah, just get that one piece that you don't need. Yeah, so the mixture that we are going to be mixing will help us destroy bacteria and fight acne. Yes, so this face mask is also going to help us fight pimples and reducing acne scars and skin blemishes. So the next step is to get 1 teaspoon of turmeric, but don't mind me because I'm getting pinches. I don't want to place my spoon in my turmeric, yeah, because it's already wet. Yeah, so the logic here is to mix these 3 ingredients very well. This face mask is going to help us nourish your skin from the outside because it has detoxing agents when mixed together. Yeah, so the banana turmeric honey provides tons of much needed vitamins and minerals to your skin cells. These nutrients work wonders for your skin because they help repair your skin cells and remove wrinkling toxins.
It is time for application, and always apply your facial mask or your skincare after washing your face. So my face is clean, it has no dirt. So the next step is to apply it, and always apply in a circular motion. So you can start now and massage in a circular motion. So you can do this twice in a week. And also, if you have a dry skin, it will help you moisturize your skin. Yes, banana has some properties which will help you moisturize your skin, and of course we've added in honey, as you've seen. And now the turmeric part of it will help you fade the dark spots and also heal your pimples, your acne breakouts. Yeah, so this face mask is basically best for all skin types. Yes, it is not like major for all specific. Yeah, so it is best for all skin types. So make sure that you massage like for 1 minute. Then after you leave it for 15 minutes, then you wash it off. Yeah. So we are going to be leaving it to sit on our skin for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, I had to wash off my face. So I'm back. Now the next step is to moisturize our skin. And I always use this aloe vera gel. This is what I use. It is really good. Yeah, in my previous video I showed you how I bought something which is like, you know, of course duplicate, but yeah, so we are going to moisturize our skin. Yeah, so you can use any moisturizer that you have at your home. So now we are good to go. Yeah, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Until next time, in my next video, please don't forget to subscribe and mainly hit the notification bell. You'll be notified once I upload a new video. Until next time, stay blessed. Bye bye.